Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I have a really nice modular here. So this is the bakery and it's from Pantasy. So I've had a few of their sets before and they are quite good. Now I'm trying to pick this box up and it's so heavy. They use Go bricks for this set and printing, so that means no stickers. I'm just going to take a closer look here at the back because this building looks so detailed. So they show us on the back of the box all the detail that's inside, and we get a little gymnasium and a little apartment and lots of stuff. This actually looks really good. It sort of reminds me of a mock modular because it's very detailed. So we'll just open it up and see that we get two boxes inside. And it's two halves. Look at that. So it's the picture of the modular. So obviously we start with box one. So I'll just open that up. Quite a lot of bricks in here. I actually don't know how many bricks there are. I'm guessing there's over 2,300. It's quite a big set. We've got a base plate here, so it's slightly larger than the normal style base plate that you would expect. So a bit thicker, I guess, but that's okay. What else have we got? The instruction booklet. Feels all right. Adults are welcome to build this set. Of course we are. Adults love building with bricks. What have we got? So it tells us how many bags are used for each section of the modular. So 15 bags, but 15 numbered bags. There'll be a lot more than that. And the instructions look alright. The colours of it, it's okay. I think it'll be alright to build, I think. There's the rest of them sets, and oh, that's like a gaming, like retro arcade game there. That's different. Astro Boy, and 473 steps all up to build this nice modular. I guess you can always change out the base plate if you want it to fit with all your other buildings, I guess. So this is all the stuff that comes with it. So it's a very big set. Let's check out some parts through the bags. And all the window, like the glass pieces, are all separated. I wonder if that's to prevent scratching. Maybe. The colours of the actual bricks look pretty good. Like that green's nice and bright. I love buildings, I love modulars, and I can't wait to have a baguette at this one. Alrighty, let's review. I've done bags 1 and 2 for now. So this is how it's covered up the base plate. Got some nice colours here. It's a very different type of light blue or light grey. I like the little garden along there. Got a little air conditioner unit on the outside. A few of the pieces are scratched on the browns. Oh, here's the like little kitchen area. So that's quite detailed inside. Here are some of the printed tiles. We've got some Healthy Life baguettes here, a gym sign to build your muscles, and it is the Pan Bakery. Yeah, they're very nice printed pieces. And we've got the menu, and holy dolly, these prices are expensive. I hope that's for a whole sponge cake and not for a slice. Oh my goodness. Oh, so we get 2 of the same menu there. Oh, it would have been nice getting 2 different ones. Okay, so bag 3, we get like a little takeaway window there to get your coffee. I love this brick built coffee sign. So it's actually like a little doorway there. So you can open and close that. I like the addition of the colours with the plants and the awning, and we get these little doors here for the kitchen. Now I think that's not very good security there, because anyone can walk in and out of the shop. But anyway, there's the little door at the back to enter the gym if you want to. But it'll be a bit hard going in if you butt two buildings together. It's a very tight alleyway there. So yeah, I don't know, I might have to turn the door around the other way so it goes inside that way. That's all good. There's the menu, so they're actually like on an angle, which I thought was quite a nice detail. Got a little shelf underneath. Yeah, so far it's looking really nice, apart from the security aspect. Nice detailed interior here. I love the servery, the little cash register, these little buffet style seats there with some yummy cakes, and we have croissants and baguettes there, and maybe jams and other little bits and pieces for baking on this little rack. I'm trying to zoom in there, and that's a printed part too. Maybe these are little ingredients that you can make cakes at home with. So the rest of the shop has been built up. Little fence there with flowers growing on the side. I do like the colour scheme of this. The little water fountain there at the front. Maybe it takes up too much room for the door, but look at the menu here for the coffee. How expensive is that? $15 for one cup of coffee. Maybe this is a cafe from the future or something. I don't know. Inflation's gone crazy at this place. More windows here. So dark greens. I like the use of the arches from the cars. That's a nice touch there. Then we've got this drain pipe coming here that's flowing water in there. And we've got a blind cat that's hanging out in the back of the alleyway there. I feel sorry for him. Maybe I should take him home. He needs some eyes. Alright, so we've got like dark orange type coloured walls there. Love this bakery sign. Got like a big donut there to show that we sell donuts at the bakery. Big wall of windows to let lots of light in. They've continued the awning, the same colour up the top, which I really like. And so detailed inside. I do love all this gym equipment. This punching bag's a bit close to the windows though. You've got to be careful you don't knock out the window. But the rest of the equipment's cool. Like I like this little exercise bike and the little treadmill. It's telling me how many calories I've burnt. And then we've got all the weights here. I love that the front of the building is really detailed, like they continued that detail up here from the bottom. There's so much texture here in different parts used. Then we've got the two larger windows on the side, a little bit more plain. We've got the fire escape door there and the drain pipes continuing up. It does look really nice. Oh, and then up here we've got like this terracotta paved terrace. That looks really nice with all the angled bits, and we've got a little chihuahua that's eyeing off that turkey leg or chicken drumstick, and he's blind also. I think he's going to have to come home with me too. But first I'm going to stick this up here so you can see how well it fits and how good it looks. It actually looks really nice. Very detailed. it still gives me the mock vibes because of all the detail. And I love how the drain pipe all connects together like that. Looks good. I really like that there's a little apartment that's included with this set. So same colours continuing up. We have a nice arched window there for the bathroom. So I'm glad we get a toilet and a sink, but we get a see-through door. And it looks like the Flintstones TV. I don't know why they use that. Could have been a different TV. And I like the aircon unit. Furniture time, and it is great. We've got a little desk there, loving the bed, little bedside tables, got a little cabinet there with things inside, a little armchair, and a little tiny bookshelf. Very cute. I love that we get different windows on each level, and these ones are really nice, still keeping in with the same colour scheme. And we get a brown door. I'm actually going to swap those two. I'm going to put that brown door on the bathroom and put the clear one there, add more lighting. So same type of window on this side, and then another fire escape. And the aircon unit on the outside, I like how they added that. That's really thought out well. So here it goes up here, and I'll try and attach it. It goes on very well, very easily. It's all sitting nicely. That's looking nice. It has this Parisian feel for me. Here's the roof, more different styled windows. Loving the dark red roofing, it looks really good. Lots of curves there, and we get like a very detailed rooftop garden. More blind animals, this time they're seagulls. This is looking really nice. I love those little shrubs there. So I'm just going to pop that on so now you can see. Oh my goodness, how nice this looks. This is really, really nice. Wow. Very nice modular. The bakery modular from Pantasy. It does look very nice. It's very detailed. It would look great amongst other modular style buildings that you may have. My dark brown bricks were a bit scratched, but the rest of everything else was very good. Even the clear windows were good. I really like the look of it. Should have come with some characters, I feel, and I don't like that the animals are all blind, but otherwise it is a very nice looking set. So everyone, get your bricks out.